Morning. People, you know, in the country you have to hail people, right? Got this chicken. Country with the people. Now if you look ahead of me and see a rooster, all who don't see a rooster, how long you know? Yeah. Rooster across the street. Yeah, that's the sound of a rooster.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by Bergs, and welcome to another drive into Jamaica.
Hey guys, so this journey will take us to a small community called Mount Pleasant. We're actually in St. Margrets Bay right now, and that's in the parish of Portland, and we're heading up to a little community called Mount Pleasant, as I just said. So journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual guys, I hope you enjoy. So as you can see guys, it's an early morning trip. Yeah. It's just daybreak right now. Right? But the sun hasn't risen as yet. Like the sun hasn't come over the horizon as yet. So it's still a little bit dark, but it will get bright soon. We're making our way up the hill. So if you're watching this video and you're actually from Portland, drop a comment, alright? And make sure you like the video as well too. And if you're from Mount Pleasant, if you're from Mount Pleasant guys, come on, let me know in the comment section. Tell me about your community, alright? Yeah. And as you can see with these country roads guys, the road is like quite narrow. Yeah, it's quite narrow. Sometimes you'll get to some sections where you'll have to, like, you know, like it's only one vehicle, like it's single lane traffic only at some sections. A rain falling, because as you know guys, like Portland, St. Mary, those parishes, like these parishes, you know that, yeah, there's always some rainfall, and that's why these parishes are so lush and green, and you know, the air out here is different. Yeah, it smells different, the air tastes different, everything. So we're still making our way up the hill. A very steep hill. One thing, you know guys, when you're coming into the country, especially when you're going into certain district up in the hills, trust me, you make sure you have good vehicle. Alright? Yeah. Because them hills are not plating, people. Are not plating. Seriously, are not plating. And as I said, it's just before sunrise right now. It's approximately, let me see what time it is. Hold on. Hey Siri. Oh, but probably Siri not even work here. What time is it? Alright, so Siri is not connecting. Let me see if I can grab the phone and look. Hold on. Alright, so it's 5:34 a.m. right now. Yeah. Right now we have a split in the road, but we'll take it on this side. But it's a circle though, guys. It's a circle. It comes right back around. There's a section up top that it comes right back around. But this side is the shorter side. Guys, look on the steepness of this hill. Like, just look at the road ahead. I no play thing. I no play thing, people. Alright, so if we had taken the left side, this is where we would have come out. But as I said, this side that I take is much shorter, yeah? Yeah, this side is much shorter. So now we're actually approaching now the Mount Pleasant community. You look on the left hand side, you can see the sign. Welcome to the community of Mount Pleasant. Alright, so we're heading up. And we are keeping right. As I say, guys, check out the steepness of this hill. Seen a lot of chickens on the street. You know, them yard fowl, common fowl as country people call it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Only a rooster, hen, little baby chicks. Yep. On my right hand side here is the Mount Pleasant Health Center. Morning. People, you know, in the country you have to hail people, right? Got this chicken. This chicken, so frightened. Yeah, that's the sound of a rooster. Country with the people. Now if you look ahead of me, you see a rooster. All who don't see a rooster, how long you know? Yeah. Rooster across the street. Alright. Hey people, them come and fall around fast, you know man. Fast they fret. And even though you see where it was raining and stuff, the weather is supposed to be beautiful today here in the parish. I think it says partly cloudy for the whole day. So yeah. On the left hand side right here, a 2 tanks with a pipe. I don't know if they sell water or something. I'm not sure, but you know it's country these people. You know it thing already. Yeah. More chickens. Yeah, make sure we don't run over none, you know? Leave a chicken up as any people. Oh, come on, fowl, I hope I saw never come. You know them say them meat they eat the best, them chicken meat they come and fall. Yeah, but I think them say them tough. People say you have to cook them with that sort of thing, them say. Pressure them and we know the whole story them with them love say about them come and fall already. But people, guess what? To reach your destination, it was actually a short drive, yeah? So reach your destination, so we link up a little bit, yeah? Yeah, how them people I go? But they are mad. Whole heap of place.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.